This video was shaky, but it went on successful. I just cleaned the face and I put moisturizer, then primer. Then I went with the concealer since we didn't have the shade of the foundation. So if you don't have the same shade of the foundation, you can mix with concealer. So I went on with the powder to set under eyes. Then after setting the under eyes, I went on with the powder of a color just to set the remaining parts of the face. Then I went with blush just to contour it, so you can tell you to smile for you to know the right place to put this. So I just kept on blending using the blending brush. Then I went on to contour the nose just to make it, to smash it. And I went on to put concealer on the eyebrows, just on the eyebrow bone. And then I went on to clean the eyebrows, the upper eyebrow. Then I put the concealer on the eyelid. Then I blend with the darker shade outside and the shimmery shade inside. Then I went to to do the lips. So I used brown and orange for this. Then I went on to put the lip gloss. So the lip gloss, I went on to put it with the back of the brush just to make it shiny. Guys, she really loved the look. She really loved the look. As you can see that there was a game changer here. So I just cleaned the fox eye, which is the wing eye. You can clean it using the concealer just to make it straight if it's not in shape. Guys, this was so beautiful. She even loved it. Right now she's just checking. She came out successful and nice and beautiful.